Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create this little witch boot. This is the third and final part in my witch series, though please do subscribe as I have more patterns in the works. Now to start, much similar to the witch hat, you will need scissors and a needle, black, purple and a gold or yellow yarn. I'm using a mixture of Stylecraft, Special DK and King Cole. I'll put everything in the description below, so if you are wondering about anything, just check down there, and if it's not there, please comment and I will do my best to get back to you. You will also need a crochet hook. I'm using a size 4mm, and to begin you just want to take the purple yarn, create a slip knot and put your hook through that loop and chain 7. So 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now you want to go into the second loop from hook and do a double crochet. So yarn over, put your hook through, yarn over again, pull through 2 loops, and the last 2 loops. And you'll just continue this all the way along in the last 5 loops in the row. So going in for another double crochet through 2 and through 2, and then another one in the next loop. I like to go through the back loops as it just creates a nicer, neater edge, but you can go through your loops however you like. So again, and 2 and 2. And again. And that's the last one. And now all you want to do is you want to pull up some yarn. There we go. And then cut your loop, as we will now be attaching your next colour. There we go. So that is your first row done. Let me just show you how you attach your next colour. So I'm taking black. You want to create a slip knot. Here we go. Don't attach it to your hook yet. You want to go back through that stitch we've just created. Being careful not to pull that stitch free. Attach your loop and pull through and just slip stitch that into place. So we're just going to slip stitch. Here we go. And pull through it. Just make sure that those are nice and tight and not freeing themselves. And you're going to do a double crochet again into each of those along, so repeating the last row. So there we go, there's our first double crochet, loop over, go through, pull back through, pull through 2, and pull through 2. yarn over into that last loop, and yarn over, pull through 2, and pull through 2. And then again, you're going to pull up your yarn, and you're going to cut it, and you're going to attach your next colour, which is the purple again, in the same way that we just attached the black. So you turn your work, so we're taking the purple again, here we go, creating another slip knot, turning our work, going back through that last stitch we created to attach the next colour, and then we'll be doing the same as the previous row, a double crochet into each along. There we go, we just slip stitch on, yarn over, go through that, pull through, and pull through 2, pull through 2. Then again, yarn over, go through that stitch, yarn over again, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops. So there we go. So it should be 6 double crochets on each row of so you want a black and another pink, and I will meet you back in a moment on that row.